In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Figma file in your browser. If you're new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you get your file open in no time. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Figma website. Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that's widely used for creating, sharing, and exploring designs. So, open up your favorite browser and type in figma.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by their homepage, which is sleek and intuitive. If you're not signed in yet, no worries. Click on the login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and you'll be swiftly directed to your homepage. Now that you're logged in and on the homepage, the real fun begins. Here in the home interface, you'll find a variety of projects and files that could range from personal projects to collaborative works. What you'll want to do next is navigate to the design option. You'll find this in the menu, often situated to the left side of your dashboard. By clicking here, you're essentially accessing the heart of your projects, where all your creative endeavors reside. After you've made your way into the design section, it's time to focus on finding the specific file you'd like to open. One effective way to locate your recent projects is by clicking on Recents. This option will showcase your most recent works and files, allowing you to access your latest design efforts quickly. The Recents tab is a helpful feature, especially when you're juggling several projects and need to get back to them with ease. Once you're in the Recents section, simply scan through the list and select the file you intend to open. Clicking on the file will direct you straight into your project workspace, where you can start viewing, editing, and refining your designs just as you please. This seamless non-download process is one of the many reasons Figma is a go-to for designers who need efficient access to their work from anywhere. And there you have it. Opening a Figma file in your browser is as easy as that. Remember, with Figma, your work is always at your fingertips, ready to be accessed and shared with your team or the world. I hope this guide was helpful for you today, and if you found it beneficial, be sure to explore more of what Figma can offer for your design needs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.